Alright, so today I'll be showing you the updated version on how to fix rig in your copy. Which is really simple. Go to player the VR controller, remove the script, add the XR rig. If it doesn't show you, then you're going to add the XR origin. Your camera floor offset game object, you're going to drag in Gorilla Player. For this camera, you're going to want to do main camera. Then you're going to want to delete third person camera and shoulder camera. Delete shoulder camera, yeah. And put the tracking mode to floor. Put the XR interaction manager. Remove the script. Add the XR interaction manager. Right here, XR interaction manager. Then go to Gorilla Player. Close down your scripts, remove that one. And then you're going to want to add the flipping like a motion system. Forgot what it's called for. And here you're going to press stop. You're going to set it as player VR controller or player, depending on what update. And you're going to remove that script. You're going to add on main camera. Remove the missing script. You're going to add a tracked post driver. Tracked post driver right there. Left hand controller and right hand controller. You're going to remove this script. Okay. Show that. You're going to set up XR controller device based. And then you're going to add XR direct interactor right here. Move that there. XR interaction manager, you're going to set that as XR interaction manager. And then you're going to want to add the XR interactor line visual right here. Let's drag up there. You're going to turn script off. Okay. And on Gorilla Player, locomotion no snap turn. You're going to set this as Gorilla Player. The controllers, you're going to set this as Ryan controller. Then connect the controller handler if you have it. Right is Ryan controller, this one is left hand controller. And boom. Okay. So once you've done that, you're going to add. Hold on, I'll be back in a minute. Okay. So you're going to go to global. Local VR rig. Local Gorilla Player. Drop down on these. Remove these two scripts. Okay. And now you're going to want to add a bone renderer and disable it and look to drag it up here. And search up rig. Get into the rig builder. Drag it up here. You're going to open this up. Go to VR constraints. Remove the script. You're going to want to add a rig. Drag it up here. Go to head constraint. Now, if it's all the way up here, you see up here, you're going to make the position to 0, 0, 0. And it should be on the head. Remove component. Add a multi-parent constraint right here. Constrained object is open up rig, then body, drag head. Source objects, make it a head constraint. Now open up left arm and left arm OK. Same right arm and the right arm OK. So that's left arm OK and right arm OK. Make a component. add to burn IK constraints. I'm just gonna disable the slide audios. Now on left arm IK, drag the target wrist under left arm IK, drag that into target, open up shoulder L, all the way up to hand L, drag hand L into tip, forearm L into mid, and upper arm L into root. You can close down shoulder L now, press on right arm IK, drag this target wrist under right arm IK into target, open up shoulder R, upper arm R, and forearm R, drag hand R into tip, forearm R into mid, and root is upper arm R. Okay, just gonna clear that. Okay, and now it should be that fixed, but still one more thing you need to do. And you want to go to Gorilla Player Networks or Gorilla Player Actual, depending on what update. Go close down all of these, like so. Wait, go back to scenes, go back to local Gorilla Player on the rig. In rig builder, on the rig, you're going to set this to VR constraints and go back to Gorilla Player Networks. Now you can continue closing all of these. Like so. Okay. And then you can remove these two scraps, and that's okay. Then you're gonna add a, I'm just gonna remove a photo of these. Right, you're gonna wanna add a bone renderer, and turn it off, and drag it up here. And you're going to want to add a rec builder. Drag it back up here. And now VR constraints. Remove a script. Add a reg. Go back to Gorilla Player Networks. Drag in VR constraints into a reg and a reg builder. Now head constraint again. Just up there. Set the position. Remove the script. Add a multi-parent constraint, like so. Constrained object, make it a head source object, drag in head constraint into here. And left arm IK and right arm IK, gonna remove the script. Add a two burn IK constraints. Press left arm IK, drag this target wrist. Make sure it's the one under left arm IK, drag that target wrist into target. Open up shoulder L up to hand L, and then drag in hand L to tip, forearm L into mid, upper arm L into root, close shoulder L, press on right arm IK, open up shoulder R, drag in this target wrist under the right arm IK into target, the tip is hand R, the mid is forearm R, and upper arm R is root. And then you can save, and clear, turn on autosave. And then that's what to do to fix the rig in your Steamdb copy project. But yeah, I'll see you in the next tutorial.